Hello, I'm Kriss. Today I've got something you've probably never seen before. Look at this color. This is a blue tea. No filters, no tricks, just pure nature in a cup. It all starts with these dried butterfly pea flowers. They look pretty plain, but just wait for the transformation. As soon as hot water hits, you get this intense electric blue. Look at that. Honestly, every time I make this tea, I feel like I'm brewing a magic potion. Have you ever seen anything like this in a cup? In Thailand, this is called Dok Anchan. It's not just for tea. They use it to color rice, desserts, even cocktails. For centuries, it's been part of celebration and everyday life. You might wonder, does it taste as crazy as it looks? Actually, it's really smooth and delicate. Just a gentle floral note. No bitterness at all. And bonus, there is no caffeine and lots of antioxidants, so it's great ever before bed. Time for my favorite part, lemon. Hold it right at the rim. Squeeze these drops and there it goes. Blue turns purple in seconds. That color never gets old. And here is my favorite ice blue tea. Super refreshing on a hot day. And just look at that color. Wow. So good. It's like a bit sweet and the lemon gives it a nice tang. Plus it just looks amazing. Blue tea is far more than just drinking. Try it in rice, make a blue latte or add it to a party cocktails. The options are endless. Let your imagination run wild. That's blue tea. Hot or cold, always a little bit of magic. Hope you enjoyed this journey. If you tried at home, let me please know what you think. See you next time. Bye bye.